The factor theorem states that a polynomial f of x has a factor x minus r if and only if f of x equals 0. Okay, and that's maybe a little confusing, but in math speak, that basically says if you divide two polynomials together and you get a remainder of 0, then the divisor is a factor of the dividend. Okay, and so we're going to use synthetic division to determine whether or not our divisor is a factor of our dividend. Okay, it's going to be very simple, but useful once you start analyzing and doing a rough graph of polynomials with a higher degree than 2. Alright, so we're going to determine whether or not x plus 4 is a factor of this cubic polynomial. And we're going to do that by using the factor theorem and synthetic division. So the first thing we want to do is to check and see if we're in descending order. We are. And have we skipped any terms? No, we haven't. So I'm just going to rewrite this as x minus a negative 4. And that means we're going to put the negative 4 inside the box there and put down all of the coefficients. Alright, now we're going to bring down the 1, multiply it by negative 4. We're going to add for 2 and multiply for negative 8, negative 3, and 12, and 0. Okay, so because our remainder is a 0, that means yes, x plus 4 is a factor. Of f of x. So same question, right? Is x minus 3 a factor of f of x, this cubic here? So let's check by synthetic division, right? We have the 3 there. Our f of x is already in descending order. No terms are being skipped. So we just do synthetic division. Okay, and since we have a remainder that's something other than 0, then we can say no, x minus 3 is not a factor of f of x. Oops.